That was fun. That one there was fun. But I'm exhausted. Physics, man. Physics. So today we're hanging out at OC Fair, doing the farm thing. Aiden really wanted to see the chickens. Let's go see chickens. Love it. Eat that hot dog. Like a pro. Are we going up the sky? Physics, man. Physics. So I'm up here in beautiful Newport Beach drinking my coffee and had an idea to talk to you about 5 notable but completely unrelated things because I needed to fill space on this video. Number 1, I love my family. If that wasn't completely and totally obvious by now, it should have been. See, here's the thing. I filmed about 30-40 minutes of video with my son, and I could have shared a lot of that today, but I decided to not. Because as much as I know I would watch video of my son all day long, it's probably not the most fun thing for you. Number 2, Turkish coffee is by far my favorite espresso drink ever. The first time I ever had it was at Phil's Coffee in the Mission District in San Francisco. If you've never been there, go and get the Turkish because it's awesome. Number 3, when I was filming this bit about the fair, I was filming the family, I was filming myself and doing the little things that we did during it, but I really didn't take a lot of time to actually film video of what was going on or like time lapse of the Ferris wheel or cool things like that. I didn't do any of that. And by the time we were done, I was so wiped out. I was like, oh, I don't want to do any more. I tried to go back today to go do more of that, but I couldn't get anywhere close to the fair without having to pay $20, and I wasn't going to pay $20 more just to film time lapse. So this is what you get instead. Number 4, this probably looks a little different than the other footage of the fair because I am shooting again on my iPhone because I broke my camera. Don't tell my wife. I was doing some footage of my son, and at one point I went to reach for the camera and it fell off of the bench that it was precariously sitting on, and it landed right on the lens and whatever. It's just things, right? I have to go get it repaired, but for the time being, I'll be filming here on the iPhone because this is the next best camera I got. And finally, number 5, I love celebrating completely arbitrary numbers just as much as anybody else. And so I want to say a big, huge thank you to all the subscribers because I just hit 200. I know 200 isn't a whole lot compared to some who have 20 million or 2 million or 200,000 or even 2,000. But I fully appreciate everybody that subscribes, and I fully appreciate everybody that comments, which you should comment more, please. And I also appreciate everybody's attention in general. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you. If there's anything I'm doing that you guys think I could do better or you would like to see more of, please feel free, reach out in the comments. Thanks. Oh, and if you're watching this on Facebook, Well, this is about you too. So go to YouTube and check me out and subscribe and like and comment. All right, guys, that's it. I'm done. I'm out. I'm gonna finish my coffee and then go have some fun. We'll see you guys next time.